Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inshallah, today I revise with you the final revision for math, okay, grade 7. As you know, we have the graph part, unit 1. This part we took some problems of it in the midterm, okay, and we will start after the midterm. We will start here from page 41, okay, as I revised with you in the class. The first kind of problem here, as you see in exercise 3, page 41, okay. This kind of problem asks us to find where the graph cross the axes and draw the graph. We don't have drawing, so my question is find where each graph crosses the axes. Which axes? As you know that we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, to solve such kind of problem, we have to make these steps. In the beginning, I choose one problem, question number 2 from exercise 3. As you see here, this graph is 3x plus 2y equal 12. To find where this graph crosses the axis, I will substituting x equals 0, and this is the equation. Remove x and put 0 instead. So all this part cancelled because it will give me 0. 2y equal 12. Now 2y equal 12, I want just one y, so I'll divide by its coefficient with its sign. Divide by 2 both sides, so y equals 6. Don't forget that you let x equal 0, so y here equals 6. The point is 0 and 6, and this ordered pair started with x and end with y. And I'll do the same, but in such case I will substitute y equals 0. This is the graph or equation graph. 3x plus 2, instead of y I put 0. Now this part is cancelled, equal 0, 3x equal 12. I divide by 3, positive both sides, so x equal 4. In this case, the ordered pair or the point is 4 and 0. The solution will be 0, 6, 4, 0. Okay? All these kind of problems, like in page 41, exercise 3, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, you will do the same. Substitute x equals 0 and then substitute y equals 0. Okay? And as you see here also in exercise 4 star, question 1, 2, 3, 4, the same idea. Ask, find where the graph crosses the axes. Okay? This is the first thing. The second lesson is converting. Okay? A straight line conversion graphs. A straight line conversion graph. As you know that this graph help us to find quick answer for conversion. Okay, we can convert between units, we can convert currency like this. Okay, attention, this kind of problem is very easy, but take care. Each axis represents what? As you see here, مثلا in exercise 4, question number 1, the graph shows the conversion from euro to Japanese yen. Nice. Where is the euro? Where is the Japanese yen? This is the important thing. The euro found here on the x-axis, as you see here, and the yen found on the y-axis. This is important thing to know it. Okay? And as you see here, the interval is keep counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. And here the interval 2000, 4000, so keep counting by 2000s. Okay? Nice. The first question, in question 1, this is as example, not more. Convert 90 euro to yen. 90 euro. Where is the euro? I said euro on the x-axis. So I'll come on the x-axis, search about this number, 90. Where is 90? Here. Okay? And then go perpendicular line, like this, straight line. Till what? Till touch the graph already drawn in your problem. So where is the number? 90 euro. This is 90 euro on the x-axis. I'll go upward, perpendicular line to the graph till touch the graph. When I touch the graph, I'll go to the left like this to find the value of yen. Yen equal how many yens? Okay, so like this, I'll go upward till touch the graph, then perpendicular line to the y-axis, and here circle the answer. The answer is 12,000 yen. Okay, letter B as example also. Convert 8,000 yen to euros. Where is the yen? The yen on the y-axis. So where is 8,000? This is 8,000. So I'll make a straight line, perpendicular line till touch the graph. Then go down. Then go down from 8,000. Excuse me, here 8,000 till touch the graph. Then go down and circle what is the number you will reach to it. You will find it just 60 euro. Just 60 euro. Okay. Like here also in such problem, he give you the graph shows the cost per month of using unit of electricity. Here he put the cost on the y-axis. Here he put the unit of using electricity and asked us what is the cost per month of using 80 unit of electricity. Where is the unit? Unit on the x-axis. Where is 80? This is 80. I will go up till touch the graph and then go to the left. I'll find the answer between 120 and 140. So it will be 130. And here, Zach's bill is $210. How many units of electricity did he use? He gave me the money. Okay, the cost. Where is the cost? On the y-axis. I will search about this number, 210. I have here 200 and then 220. So it will be in between. In between 200 and 220. This is 210. I'll go till touch the graph and then go down. You will reach to 220 and this is the units this person used. Okay, this is the second lesson. And you have the same problems in exercise 4 and 4 stars, and all of them we solve it in your homework. By this way we finished the graph 1 and enter to shape and space. Shape and space in page 50. Okay, this is our title. It's important to know these basic principles. If you have a straight line and you have two neighbor angles, these two neighbor angles equal 180. That's to say equal, or we can say they are supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles. If you have just two angles, the sum will be 180. If you have 3, 4, 5, also the sum will be 80. We can say supplementary angles, or we can say straight line angle, 180. If you have two lines intersecting each other like this, so we have vertically opposite angles equal, congruent to each other, like B and D, like A and C equal to each other, vertically opposite angle. And here if we have two parallel sides and there is a line intersecting them, take care. You will find alternate angles on letter Z, regular writing or opposite side. And you will find corresponding angles like C and C. You will take one, leave the neighbor, and take the next one. You will find the corresponding angles on letter F. Okay, and here we have A and C equal 100. The sum of them equal 180. Two interior angles, interior angles. Okay, so you can find, if you have two parallel lines, put in your mind that you can find on letter Z alternate angles like A and A. On letter F corresponding angles like C and C. And on letter C, you will find two angles, interior angles equal 180, okay? And here, if I talk about the triangle, put in your mind that we have special cases from triangle. Isosceles triangle, that's to say we have two sides congruent, so the two basis angles are congruent. Don't forget this information, please. And if you have equilateral triangle, that's to say all the sides are equal, so all the angles are equal, each one of them equal 60, okay? Take care here, the interior angles, sorry, the interior angle sum of any triangle equal 180. Here, attention, I have parallel lines and عندي هنا B parallel to AC. But look here, measure angle D plus B plus C equal 180, okay, straight line angle. And here we have A and C. Look carefully to this the parallel lines. We can find alternate angles on letter Z like E and C. We can find alternate angles like D and A equal to each other like this, okay? Take care another time. If you have isosceles triangle, you have two base congruent angles, okay? And also take care that if I expand a line or a side, sorry, from that triangle, so we have here what we call exterior angle. Exterior angle. Take care that this exterior angle is equal the sum of the two remote angles. Of course, I can't say this Y equal the neighbor because Y and the neighbor angle equal 180 straight line angles, okay, or supplementary angles. Or we have a rule say to us that the exterior angle of a triangle equal the sum of the two remote angles. So here angle Y equal the sum of 35 plus 68, okay? And take care from this kind of problem. I have an isosceles triangle, so how I can solve this problem? By this way. Attention, I have an isosceles triangle and just one angle equal 42. To find the measure of each angle here, I will say 180, this is the sum of any triangle, minus 24 equal 138. I have to divide this 138 equally by measure angle A and C. When I divide it, it will give me 69. So measure angle A equals 69, measure angle C equals 69. Why? Because I have an isosceles triangle. And then we can find measure angle X by using this 69 and minus it from 180 to get angle X. Also, we can say this angle X is an exterior angle from the triangle ABC. So measure angle X, exterior angle equal the sum of the two remote angles. So it will be equal 42 plus 69, so equal 111. Okay, you will find a lot of problems in your book in exercise 1, page 55, exercise 1 star, page 56, like this, okay? Put in your mind again, if you have two parallel side that you can find alternate angles, corresponding angles like this, like in this problem, question 4. Attention, how I can solve this problem? He asked me to find the measure of angle DGH. So I want this angle. How I can think? I ask myself, if I find the neighbor 1, so I can minus its measure from 180 and find the measure of DGH, like this, okay? Type, how I can find this angle? How I can find this angle? Attention, I have to use this information. This angle is 110. So when I minus it from 180, I'll find the measure of angle FEG. So this angle will be equal 70. He said that the triangle is isosceles triangle. So the two base angles are equal. So this F is 70, is 70, and this F is also 70. Okay, so here, look, I have letter Z. Wow. So here, like this. This 70 and this 70. This letter Z, I made highlight over it. These two angles are alternate angles. So this is 70 and that one is 70. خلاص. I solved the problem. To get the measure of DGH, I will minus 70 from 180. So DGH equal 110. Okay. And then we have quadrilateral. When I talk about quadrilateral, I talk about polygon, closed figure, consists of 4 sides and 4 angles. As I said to you in the class, take care. This is the only quadrilateral has rotational symmetry of order 4. You have to put it in your mind. And here about the parallelogram, rhombus, just order 2, and here rectangle order 2, a parallelogram order 2, and in case of trapezoid or trapezium, we don't have, there is no symmetry, You have to know a special case, which is kite. Kite is a quadrilateral, okay? These two opposite sides are equal, congruent, and these two opposite sides are congruent, okay? As you see, when you have the same sign, so you have the same length. And these two opposite angles, very important, these two opposite angles are equal to each other. Like this to solve this problem, in exercise 2, page 59, to solve this problem, what I have to do? I have here 121, so the opposite angle is also 121. And this angle is 100, so I'll minus it from 180 to find the neighbor 1, so it will be 70. Now I have inside the kite 70, 121, and the opposite is 121. Can I find measure angle A? Yes, you can. How? The sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral equal 360. So 360 minus 121 plus 121 plus 70, you will get the measure of angle A. Okay? As I wrote here, another problem. I have a kite and this is 125. So measure angle B equal 180 minus 125 equal 55. So this is the first measure angle inside the kite. And this angle is 100. So the opposite must be equal 100. Okay, it's a rule, fact. And I want to find the measure angle A. So 360 minus 55 plus 100 plus 100. So measure angle A equal 105. Okay, you have this idea in exercise 2, number 2, page 59. And you have another problem with this special case kite in exercise 2, also question 3, page 60, like this. Okay, and then we will talk about polygon. What does it mean by polygon? When I say polygon, I talk about closed figure without curved side, without intersection. This polygon or any polygon start from 3 sides till infinity of numbers. We can find polygon with 5 sides, we call it pentagon. We can find polygon with 6 sides, we call it hexagon. Polygon with 7 sides, we call it heptagon, and 8 sides, we call it octagon, like this, okay? It is very important to know these important facts, that the sum of the interior angles of any polygon can find it by using the rule n minus 2 multiply 180. What does it mean by n? N is the number of the side, and this number of side represents also the number of angles for the polygon. Okay, so say I have hexagon. Hexagon, that's to say 6 sides. To find the sum of the interior angles of this hexagon, I substitute this in by putting 6. So 6 minus 2 equal 4. 4 multiply 180 equals 720, as I solved it with you in the class. So consider I have a hexagon, so the sum of the interior angle equals 720. Type, if I have pentagon, that's to say 5-sided polygon, so I substitute here by putting 5. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 3 multiply 180. So the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540, like this. Okay, 3 multiply 80 is 540. Okay, if I have regular polygon, what does it mean by regular polygon? That's to say I have all the sides are equal, have same length, and the angles also are congruent. So if I want to find the measure of just one angle in a regular polygon, in the beginning I have to find the sum of the interior angle from this formula, n minus 2 times 180, and finally I divided by the number of the sides or number of angles to find the measure of just one angle in a regular polygon. Okay, put in your mind that whatever the number of sides of a polygon, يعني I have 12-sided polygon, 6-sided polygon, 7-sided polygon, whatever, the sum of the exterior angles like this. This is an exterior angle outside this pentagon. The sum of the exterior angles for any pentagon equal 360. يعني if I have 12-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, 9-sided polygon, so the sum of the exterior angles equal 360? Yes. Okay, and to find just one angle, you will divide by n. So in such case, مثلا, I have pentagon. I want the measure of just one exterior angle, so I will take 360 divided by the number of sides, like this. Okay, and then as you see here, you have a lot of problems, and all of them I solved with you in the class, and I sent the answer of the homework to you. Okay, like this. Put in your mind, مثلا هنا find question 2. For each of the following shape, work out the size of. طالب مني two things, the angle sum and for الانجل sum، وطالب كمان الانterior angle. One interior angle. Okay, so in case of regular hexagon, as I said to you, I'll substitute in the rule n. I put it 6 minus 2 multiply 180, so I will find the sum of the interior angles. To find the measure of just one angle, I will divide by n. After find the total sum, divide by n. Okay, to solve such kind of problem, in the beginning I have to count how many sides for this polygon. It's a quadrilateral, so the sum of the interior angles here is just 360. I will add 103 plus 52 plus 49 and minus them from 360 to find the measure angle A. Look to this shape. In the beginning, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have pentagon. Okay, so the total sum of the interior angles is 5 minus 2 multiply 180 equal 540. So to find the measure of angle B, I'll add 102 plus 83 plus 130 plus 83 and minus them from the total sum of the pentagon, 540, and you will get the measure of this angle. Also in such case, you have to count in the beginning how many sides. I have 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here don't forget to count this and follow the same rule. So I ask you to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon, whatever this polygon. As you see here, 18-sided polygon. So I substitute n by putting 18 minus 2 times 180. And if I say to you it is a regular, so to find just one angle, I will divide by n, اللي هو 18 in such a case. If I ask you to find the measure of one exterior angle, you will take 380 divided by the number of this side, 18, okay, to get the angle. Here, in case of pairing, I said to you and I sent to you paper related to this pairing. I said to you to find or to describe a pairing between 2 points, you have to start and use the starting point found after the word from. After the word from, okay? And also you have to write the angle in 3 digits. Say I have 72, so I write it 072. If I have 63, so I will write it 063. Because the angle, pairing angle, I have to write it 3 digits. Okay, what I have to do, I give you 2 points and write, describe like here with me in page 66. Okay, I will say to you, describe, as you see here, the pairing of B from A. So where is my starting point after the word from? I have to start from the point A. What is the rule? The rule is I'll come from A and go to the north direction. Go to the north direction, then walk clockwise till touch the line between the 2 points A and B. So again, I will start after the word from. From this point A, I will go to the north direction, then walk clockwise till touch the line between A and B. Measure the angle between them. As you see, 72, I will not write it 72, I will write 072 because the pairing angle must written in 3 digits. Okay, I will do the same here. He said to me, describe the pairing of B from A. So I'll start from A and walk upward toward the north direction. Then walk clockwise till touch the line between A and B. Okay, so now how I can find this angle, the measure of this angle? Around any point we have 360 degree. So 360 minus 105, and you can find the pairing angle here. Okay, very important. Don't forget that you have to write the angle in 3 digits. If it is already 3 digits like here, I think it will be 225. Okay, you can write it directly, but don't forget you will start after the word from. You will walk north direction, then clockwise till touch the line between the 2 points he give us in the problem. Also here I start from B, walk towards the north direction, then clockwise till touch the line between A and B, and calculate or find the measure of this angle by subtracting 105 from 360. Okay, in case of scale, okay, I give you مثلا I have actual length مثلا أو actual distance 1000 kilometer. I cannot draw 1000 kilometer on the map, so I will, instead of this 1000 kilometer, I use a scale. So I'll say مثلا say in each 1 centimeter on the map مثلا represents 1000 kilometer, or like here this scale, each 1 centimeter represents 50,000 whatever here meter or kilometer, like this. Okay, and I can ask you to find the actual distance or to find the distance on a map, like these problems. Okay, هنا السكيل I said to you, you have to make it as a proportion. مثلا أنا عندي scale 1 to 1000 مثلا، هنا كيلومتر وهنا سنتيمتر on the map. اوكي، طيب أنا عايزة أقول لك لو لقيتي 6 centimeter on the map represents what is the actual distance here. So I'll make it as a proportion 1 over 1000 equal 6 over what? And make cross multiplication, consider it x, so x equal 6,000. ده ال actual أو real distance, like this. And such kind of problem is very easy and not more than this. Okay, this is the construction. We asked about it in the performance task, and then we will talk about similarity or similar triangles. Similar triangles. I said to you, I have to write the two angles carefully in order. يعني مثلا لو قلت ان A B C similar to D E F يبقى أنا اتكلمت عن ال corresponding side وال corresponding angles بطريقة مرتبة. In case of similar triangles, we have the same measure for the corresponding angles. يعني مثلا هنا احنا عندنا angle X Y C وانجل A B C. اوكي، لو قلت ان هما similar triangles فهيبقى ال corresponding angles equal each other. يعني B equal Y و C equal C و A equal X like this. Okay. In case of similar triangles, you will find one small and one big similar. Okay. طيب what about the side, the length؟ لا، اللينث والسايد بقول عليهم ان هما proportional. يعني ايه؟ يعني لو اخدت مثلا 20 over 500 of course must give me a fraction equal when I take 4 over h. I can use this property of similar triangles to find a missing side or to find a missing angle. Okay, as I explained to you in the class, such kind of problem is very important. Like here مثلا I want to know what is the missing angles here. أنا عندي two similar triangles, so the three corresponding angles are equal. يعني مثلا هنا angle E equal 94 دي vertically opposite angle. طيب مين ال corresponding لل 47؟ اخد هنا ادي two parallel side، اخد حرف الزي فيبقى هنا alternate angle هنا 47، وهنا كمان اخد حرف الزي alternate angle فبقت 39 equal here 39 like this. okay. and take care in such kind of problem. لو عملت مثلا الانجل ادي انجل F common between the small triangle FHG and the bigger one FKJ. اوكي. طيب الانجل F equal انجل F هي نفسها، وانجل H corresponding to angle K، وانجل G corresponding to angle J. اوكي، فكده بقوا ال 3 angles equal each other. What about the side? Not equal. But if I take HG over KJ will give me fraction equal exactly FG over attention FJ. Okay, don't say FG over GJ because GJ is not a side in any triangle of them. So take care please from this point. Take care. هنا أنا عايزة أعمل proportion فهاخد ال HG over KJ، وعندي مثلا ال KJ unknown equal 22 اللي هي ال FG over the total لل FJ اللي هو 22 plus 66 equal 88. Okay, like this. So take care from these kinds of problems. هما دول ال two kinds of problems اللي ممكن نسأل فيهم. As you see here, the idea repeated in this problem, page 79, also in this problem, page 78. كمان عندنا في ال practice exam الفكرة متكررة في question 1، متكررة في question 7، متكررة في question 8 like this. okay. يعني هنا مثلا to find this length, attention, how I can find this length? He said these two triangles are similar. ال small triangle ده وال bigger triangle. أنا عندي common angle اللي هي right angle موجودة في two triangles، وعندي كمان common angle هنا. فيبقى ال third angle equal ال third angle هو دي equal here. sorry, this is right, so and this also right corresponding، وهنا this angle equal that one corresponding لأن two sides here are parallel. اوكي. طيب أنا عايزة أجيب الميسنج لينس دوت، أعمله إزاي؟ I will take 81 over this missing length. اوكي. equal what? equal 75 من ال small triangle على التوتال اللي هو is 75 plus 114. اوكي، بعد كده اعملي كروس مالتيبليكيشن وطلعي قيمة الاكس، هتلاقيها طلعت لك 93. Take care from such kind of problem. Okay, by this way we finish the shape and shape and the space. Okay, thank you.